Have you seen the movements of YouTubers and professional Warzone players, and would you like to make such movements in Warzone Mobile? In this video, I will teach you everything you need to become unstoppable. The things that help you in fast movements are settings, perks, good attachment, good HUD, and good sensitivity, and some secret techniques that you will learn in this video. A technique that is often called veve, but it is mostly a show of this movement that you see. The point of this movement is to press the tactical sprint button once and then change your weapons one after the other. But in normal mode, tactical sprint takes 3 seconds in, and the speed of changing my weapons is very low. Let's go and tell you all the details. The first trick of using the Warden package is in the perks section. The Fast Hands perk increases the speed of changing guns, increases the speed of reloading and the use of throwables, and the double time perk doubles your tactical sprint time and increases your speed by 30% when crouching. The next part is the settings, FOV or field of view. The latest FOV value in the game is currently 90, which gives you a very good view, but we have to wait for 120 to be added. Set the camera rotation mode to speed acceleration for faster response. Turn off the fixed joystick option for more flexibility. By turning off this option for movement, you don't need to drag your cursor to a fixed place on the screen, and your movement will not be locked. To tactics that make your movement unstoppable: Stim Shot and Battle Rage. Stim Shot restores your stamina, which means tactical sprint, and fills your HP. Using Battle Rage grants you increased health regeneration, resistance to enemy tactical equipment, and continually refreshes tactical sprint. This buff lasts approximately 20 to 25 seconds. Well, this movement is useful in multiplayer or after getting your own loadout in Battle Royale. So, what movement should we do at the beginning of the Battle Royale game? Here, we have to spam the tactical sprint and aim at the corners so that our tactical sprint is always full, and we are not surprised. You can use Dolphin Dive and Slide to fill the tactical sprint. But for now, due to the lack of ability to cancel the slide, bad timing will kill you. At the moment, you can see the ability to cancel the slide and fast movement in New W3 in Clash mode. In the meantime, I put the cool movement techniques in the previous video. Be sure to watch and use it.